Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2012 Kawasaki ZX10R Ninja. This bike has just over a little over 11,000 miles on it and is in mint condition. It's got a ton of highlights on it, so let's get around it here. We'll look at it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is immaculate. It's been very well taken care of. Comes with the dark tinted windscreen. Front tire's in excellent shape. Got a lot of miles left on that. It's got D3 grips on it, Vortex sliders. It's got an Acra pipe, tank pad, gas cap, reservoir cap, solo seat, integrated tail with fender eliminator. Back tire's in excellent shape, got a lot of miles left on that. This bike has been tuned. She's putting out 180 horsepower at the rear wheel. $11,061 is what's on it. This ZX10 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 8,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.